Hi, and welcome to another SimplyPrep tutorial where you'll learn how to create recipes. Let's begin. Enter the Recipes sub-portal where you'll find different categories for your recipes. Today we'll be creating a simple spaghetti with garlic and oil recipe. Select the pasta category and press the Add Recipe button. Enter the recipe name. Select the corresponding team, enter the yield and select the unit. Now we'll enter our ingredients. We can search for previously entered ingredients, or we can add new ingredients during the recipe creation process. To add a new ingredient, type in the ingredient name and press Add. Select the correct ingredient category and press Save Ingredient. Once all of our ingredients are entered, we can add prep notes and save or print our recipe. Select Save. And that's it. We can also add sub-recipes such as marinara sauce to another recipe. Thanks for watching.